Phone number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in Hadfield in Glossop. The system's a very large system, 18 radiators. It was a sealed system, but it has been, it was an open vented system, but it has been sealed. And we've hooked in through the pump housing, and we're getting a lot of sludge, rust and corrosion out of the system. We'll just show you that now. If you put it on dump mode, show you what's coming out of there. There you are. That's why things are like. We've only just started this power flush. What we're going to do, we're going to do a little bit more work in here and get some chemical into the system, etc. We've got the magnet hooked up there, and we'll come back to you later on. Okay. Hi barriers, just back to this job in Glossop. The power flush is going okay. We've got all the magnet hooked up, the chemical in there. We've fired the boiler a few times, and we're getting a really good flow through the system. And some of the radiators that weren't getting such a great flow before are actually getting a really good flow now. Okay, we're going to explain what we do, our company, what power flushing is, the benefits of power flushing, and the areas we cover. Okay, my name is Barry Ayres of Pro-powerflushing. We are fully gas safe registered, which is very important. It means we can get right into your boiler, your central heating system, give it the best possible flush. We sometimes have to take components off, which other companies, if they're not gas safe registered, aren't legally allowed to do. So that's really very important. Our power flushing work is done to BS 7593 standard. You will receive a certificate upon completion of the power flush, stating the power flush has been done with the water levels, the TDS and pH levels on the certificate, which is all okay with your service provider, whether it be British Gas, HomeServe, E.ON, etc. Our power flushing work takes most of the day to complete. We only do the job 100% properly, which basically sometimes means the awkward way. Like today, we've actually taken the pump off the central heating system. We've hooked in through there. We don't just do it the cheap nasty way. We don't just pull radiator off and hook into there. We we do it the awkward way, which is the best way. We sometimes have to take our hoses in through the property, up the stairs, or even through a bedroom window, to get where we need to get. We always respect your property, lay plenty of mats down and bits of carpet and towels and things, so your property is actually kept very clean. We actually believe we're one of the best power flush companies in the country. We've just done too many power flushes to not know what we're doing. We only use the best equipment and chemicals, as we said before, being the Kamco range of pumps, magnets, chemicals, and we also use Sentinel X100 inhibitor, which is added after the power flush to prevent further corrosion. We actually believe we're one of the... Okay, so what is power flushing? Power flushing is basically a means of flushing through all your central heating system, through your pipework, your radiator, your boiler, etc. Just getting the system all nice and clean inside. After the power flush, you'll be able to turn your boiler down. You should have a quieter boiler, lower gas energy bills, a revived central heating system, fewer breakdowns. Power flushing is the best thing you can actually do to your central heating system, as long as it's done professionally. This is why I'm saying you should really give us a call, use us. We know what we're doing. This is what we specialise in. We do this day in, day out. We don't rush the job. We want to get results for our customers. We want to leave them happy with an improved central heating system. We actually sometimes go to central heating systems which are practically grinding to a halt. They're so full of rust and corrosion, and after the power flush, it heats up in no time. You can turn your boiler down a lot quieter. And if you imagine it as an oil change for your central heating system, I think you get the idea. Getting all that rust and corrosion out of the system. We'll show you the magnet shortly. We think there'll be quite a lot of rust and corrosion on this system because the system was actually quite dirty from the first instance. The areas we cover the whole of the northwest UK area. We're based in Bramley and Stockport, Cheshire, so we cover Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Yorkshire, parts of Derby, parts of Stafford, parts of Nottinghamshire, for our power flushing service. Okay, our prices are up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies such as British Gas, HomeServe, E.ON, etc. So if you use us, you're going to get a fantastic power flush, the best power flush you'll get, and you're going to save yourself a lot of money as well. Okay, we also supply and fit boilers, and we're going to go into that a little bit more detail shortly. If you are having a new boiler fitted, you've had a competitive quote, make sure the engineer is actually power flushing the central heating system. We don't just mean running a little bit of mains water through it. He needs to be doing it as to this standard. Otherwise you're just going to get a lot of rust and corrosion run through your new boiler, and it could actually invalidate your warranty. So that's why it's really very of the utmost importance. If you are getting a new boiler fitted, you've got a nice competitive quote, you know, make sure the engineer is doing this. If he's not, give us a call. If you've had a new boiler fitted and you're worried about that, it might not have been flushed properly, just a little bit of water through it, a little bit of chemical will do no good whatsoever. It could actually do more harm. Give us a call and we'll come and power flush it and validate your boiler warranty. For that little bit of extra money you're going to spend, you know, it's just not worth it's not worth cutting corners when you're having a new boiler fitted. Get it power flushed 100% properly. Okay, we're just going to get back to this job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, as I said, the water's a lot clearer now. We're taking GDS levels are a lot acceptable. We're going to have the Sentinel X100 in here through the machine, let it circulate and get proper into the system. Okay, we're going to put the Sentinel X100 inhibitor in now. Break the seal. We'll do the other one as well in a minute. Let that circulate around 10 or 15 minutes. We'll get back to you shortly, thanks. Okay, that's the power flush done now in Hadfield, glossop. The radiator's heating up nice, getting a good flow around the system, so the job is a complete success. So if you need any power flushing done, just give me a call, telephone number 07836 353 985, or contact us through our website for more details. Thank you very much. Bye.